Welcome to Meadowville Landing, a prestigious riverfront community nestled in Chesterfield County and on the James River. Here are 5 facts about this fantastic community and our homes in it. Location. Located in Chesterfield, Virginia, Meadowville Landing is a great location and is just minutes from I-295, I-95, and Route 10. You are sure to enjoy everything that downtown Richmond has to offer. Brand new homes. Choosing a new home is hard, and we offer brand new ones. This means that the home has not been lived in and isn't several years old. You can purchase a brand new home here at Twin Rivers at Meadowville Landing, and you don't have to wait. We currently have move-in ready homes available. First floor living. Everything you need, including your owner's suite, can be on the ground floor. These homes also offer 2-car garages, covered porches, and tasteful floor plans with amazing kitchens. Amenities. If canoeing the James River is not enough, don't worry. This community offers a pool, community clubhouse, fitness center, riverfront dock, river walk, playground, and more. Happy neighbors. Our homeowners are loving the Meadowville Landing lifestyle, but don't take my word for it. Here's a direct quote from a happy homeowner. My HHHunt home purchase was an excellent experience. They made each step in the process easy, and the team actually cared about me. Thank you for helping me purchase my dream home. These are 5 facts about this amazing community, and we hope they help you with your decision when purchasing a new home. Don't miss your opportunity to snatch up one of these desirable new homes. HHHunthomes.com, because at HHHunt, it's how you live that matters.